most venomous snake in Northern California. Gotta be really careful. She might bite me and kill me in one bite. She's about 3.5 feet. The venom glands spit venom 4 feet in the air. She'll make you blind in a second. That's why I have to wear these special glasses. Let's see how close we can get to her face. She's quite a beaut. As you can see, she used these scales to move along the ground. Look at the beautiful coloration of the belly. Yeah, we're gonna let her go now in the bushes. Alright, girl, you alright? You alright? Good girl. There you go. Back to your mom. There you go. Good girl.